the agenda for today is like how we have by default some data source like sample superstores in the Tableau. We do have a couple of dashboards which comes inbuilt. Okay, so we have like currently overview dashboard, then we have product dashboard, customers, like so on. There are many dashboards. For the time being, for today, what we will focus is we will just try to understand what this overview dashboard is, and we will just try to replicate even formatting everything as same as this dashboard. So first thing would be we will just try to understand what this dashboard says or what is there. Okay, so in top it says executive overview profitability. So this is one part of this. Then this one is second, and this one is third and fourth. In total, we have four sheets actually. So in the first top overview, what it says, the total sales in the data source, total profit. Profit ratio is nothing but sum of profit by sum of sales, and profit per order is sum of profit per like by count distinct order ID, and sales per customer, self-explanatory, average discount and quantity. So these are like key metrics and which is currently showing at data source level since no filters are applied. And in down we have like state showing the colored by profit ratio, and we have the legend right here. And in the tooltip of each state, we have like how the profit ratio is across the cities. So that's also something more valuable, I would say. So this is about the top half, and in bottom half we have monthly sales by segment states and monthly sales by category. So actually you can see there is two like color legend. Currently I don't know why there is no legend, but the blue one seems to be like profitable and this orange one is non-profitable. Maybe we'll go into the sheet to understand more. So what it conveys is like this represents the total sales actually, and this orange one represents unprofitable order. So sales among unprofitable orders. So whatever like this orange conveys is, so according to like each order, if though the sales is there, if it is of loss, then it will be accounted as unprofitable, and the other one is profitable. So as a whole, it represents the sales. The top one represents the profitable sales, and the bottom one represents the unprofitable orders across each category. And then next, same thing we have across each category. Okay, so these are the two things we have, and we will just work on that today. So this is any doubts with the dashboard, or shall we move on and start replicating this one?
We can start.
Okay. So let me open a new sheet. Already I have connected to the sample superstores. So first we will just try to create this overview. We have sales. This metric is already by default. We have profit also. We have profit ratio. We have. So profit per order and sales per customer is something we should create a calculated field. So let me create a calculated field. Profit per order and profit by count distinct order ID. That's nothing but profit per order. Then sales per customer, again one more calculated field. Sales by count distinct customer name. Actually, customer name is not the right one, since there might be replication of customer name. Since we don't have any customer ID, we'll go with this. So now we are just ready with all the metrics required for this top overview. So we will just try to put them. There are two ways of making this. One is like putting all of them in separate sheet and putting them in a container, and the other way is like measure names and measure values. We will just go with the measure name, measure value approach. We will pull the measure names, the rows, measure name value in the text. Okay. So whichever is not required, we will just remove off. Count orders not required, people not required, returns not required, discount, profit ratio, profit per order, quantity, sales and sales. These all things we will do. So now we have whatever we want. So discount, we'll convert this discount to average instead of profit, measure and average. Also we'll show the percentage instead of showing the number. And same case with profit ratio also, we'll just convert it to percent. This. So profit ratio remains same. So profit quantity, some sales, we'll convert it to currency. Let's round it up. Sales per customer. Then for profit, okay. So sales is coming first, so we'll put it to top. Next we have profit. Next we have profit ratio. Profit per order, sales per order. Quantity at last and average discount. Okay. So okay. So now we are just ready with the top tab, but we are ready to adjust the fonts and the title. So let me copy the title. Okay, so set to the title and I will go to row division now. Now we are ready with the top set of visualization. This is the top portion. Next we will move on to the second portion, which is nothing but by the geographic location. We are just trying to show the profit ratio. So let me pull the state. We will convert it to color and we will color it by profit ratio. Now we got the profit ratio, but if you look at the visualization which is there in Tableau, for the one we can see in tooltips, we are able to just look at the trend of profit ratio across the cities. So this we will also try to replicate the same in our version. So for that, generally we have a provision to insert sheets in tooltip. So here, just let me create a sheet with city and profit ratio. City and profit ratio. So let me color it by profit ratio. We hide the axis, not required. We will try to show the values. Convert it to percentage. We will round off to 1 decimal. And currently you can see we are not able to see the labels for all. It's like alternative. So to get rid of this, we will select all and show mark label and always show. So now we have mark labels for all. Hide the sheet and hide the label, field label. Okay, so now we got the sheet which is required for the tooltip. We we'll just pull this in the sheet to tooltip. Data. To insert sheet in tooltip, what you are to insert sheets, whichever sheet you like to insert. So sheet 3 is the one which we made, and we have provision here to adjust the width, height, and filter also. If you are interested in only some of the fields rather than all, just you can edit this filter. Okay. So now we got the city level details of profit ratio for the particular state. Yeah, we got it. And coming to the formatting, we'll just replicate the same. So now we got the second set of visualization also. Now the only thing left is the bottommost, in which we are just trying to show the sales across the sales across each segment. So by using this order profitable or not, one is just based on each order ID whether if it is profit or not. So it's a boolean. So for each order ID, if the profit is greater than 0, then it will be like 2 and accounted as profitable sales. If not, it will be accounted as unprofitable sales. So we'll just to create a calculated field for order profitable. Ready? Zero. So this is not the order profitable. Now the order date and in terms of month, and then segment, continuous, yeah, segment and sales. Convert this to area. So now we got the entire sales. We'll just color it by profitable or not. So now for the each case, we just got whichever is profitable and loss. Currently in this bottom, it's showing the profitable sales, and at top it's showing the non-profitable sales. Maybe if you just pull the true on top and false, now we got like the profitable sales on the top and the unprofitable sales on the bottom. So in total it's showing the entire sales, and this orange portion it shows what is profitable, and the below portion says it's what's the loss. Part 2 will kill. Okay, like okay. Okay, so we'll just hide this head. Maybe we'll have the header. Okay, this everything's looking good. So similar for segment, we have to make for category. So what we'll do, instead of making everything, we'll duplicate the sheet, and instead of segment, we'll add the category here. Okay, so now we got all the 4 sheets which is required. We'll go forward and make the dashboard. Let me pull the vertical container first, and then I'll put a blank, and then again a vertical on top. So In this vertical, we will just pull the overview. Okay. Now next we'll pull a horizontal, so we can just add the map. Along with that, we have to add the filter pane. Okay. So at last we have this sheet 3 and sheet 4. Before pulling it, we will just put a horizontal and pull the sheet 3. Sorry, sheet 4 and sheet 4 too. This one not required. Just delete this one. Okay, this looks good. We'll hide that title here as well. Okay, so now we are ready with all the visualizations. Now we just got to add some filters for the order date and region. So let me move the order date filter. And we'll apply this to all our sheets. And similar region as well. Okay, so I think looks good. Let me hide all the sheets. Let me format the filter. Multiple value to not required. So now we are ready with the final visualization. And if we look at the version which, so here we have one more dashboard option. So that's the left one. So if we click on the particular state, so it reflects in the rest of the dashboard. So we'll just try to add that feature as well, so that we can just do, instead of going into dashboard action, just that once if we click this filter, filtering action take place. So now if we click on this filter, it's like happening the entire dashboard. So that's it. We are ready with the final expected dashboard. Maybe if you guys have any doubt, we can discuss, or else that's it for today.